लाइन आउटलाइन के बारे में।
Okay.
div
So
class id
iframe.
okay. So I think up to that everyone have clear. There is no doubt anything. Correct? Or anyone have doubt? Anyone have doubt regarding that? Abhishek, approach. Okay, tell me. Approach, you can switch off your camera. Yeah, tell me what dot you have. Hello? No dot. Okay. So nobody have dot anything. Correct? So now we will move on the important
सर
topics.
थोड़ा सा एक बार रिवाइज कर दीजिए सर। क्लास टेबल और क्लास div, तीन चीज को मतलब ओवरव्यू सर बस।
Can you speak in English? So it will be fine. Okay. So you want revision on class ID and div, correct? Okay. So what means that ID, class and div? Okay. Can anyone explain regarding div? What is that? Anyone?
The
Please,
div,
just 5 minute quick revision. Yeah.
div is the container site like of container, but we can use div class, and without div we can't use id or class. It's
Can
Hello.
anyone tell answer about this one?
Yes, I'm going to tell about this div. Basically, div belongs to one type of container. Inside div, there are multiple element we can put a multiple element we can use over here.
Vivekanand, is it clear? I think not. Okay. See, when we are using Ritvik, I think you was trying. If you, then no issue.
it is a type of container in which we can put our style, and we can call the class as well, and
Means you want to tell that whatever work we have to do inside div, correct?
yeah, we have to do inside the.
Okay. So Vivekanand, whatever task we have to do, we will perform all the task inside div. We will not write any code, okay, outside div. As like, if you have to write anything, where we will write? Inside body? Hello?
writing inside the body.
Yeah, means we will write inside body. So same type, whenever you have to do any task, first we will take div, then we will go. Okay. As like previously when we was reading, means when we was going through one by one tags, what we were doing, we were taking any h1 and we was writing anything. Then again same thing we were doing, like paragraph, we were writing anything. Okay, we were doing this or not, like this way. But now we not have to follow like this. If you have to take this, cut this one, go with one div, okay, and pass inside this. Don't write, 1 second. Yeah, don't write anything without div. Okay. Second, when you taking div, okay, make habit div or any type of tag. Okay, take always ID and class. So where you will take, 1 second. So where you will take ID or where you will take class. So on the primary means on the parent in the sense div. Div is the parent or not? Div is the parent for this body section. Suppose you have to take multiple section. Okay, what you will take? You will take multiple div. Okay, so with the help of multiple div, we going to represent multiple section. Okay, so in each section we will take one class. Means in each div we will take one. As we can tell that in each child, first child, not inside one. First child means first child of body is the first div one, line number 13. Then second child is which one? Not I not discussing regarding nested. I discussing regarding in just immediate child. Immediate child in the sense line number 13 div, line number 18, line number 23 div. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So when you have any when you taking any child as a div or whether anything section, footer, those anything, we will take always one class there. Make habit for this. Okay. Always we have to take one class. What name you will give? That we had already seen according to content, what content it going to represent. Like that we can go with name. Second, here we can take ID also. One. So ID actually is just like your identity card. But actually, what is the use of identity card? Company ID card. What is the use of that? Anyone?
It is a
for a particular category.
it is a
Yeah. Yeah, carry on.
Unique for the sir, for company who
Yeah.
can the company identify about me.
Yeah, correct. Means company going to identify with the help of your ID card. Okay. Regarding your employee, whether you are the employee of that particular company or not. So same thing we also have to do. Whatever tag we will take in each, we have to pass one ID. Now see, class we had not passed everywhere because as you had seen previously, if we passed class and some styles is written on this one, it going to affect same style will be written means same style going to affect in all div, correct or not? As previously we had written some style and suppose some style like just to go something. One second. Hmm. Now see, now what I had done, I had take open with live server. Yeah, just verify recording is going or not. Yeah, recording is going. So now see, what I had done, I had taken some. Yeah, one second, one second. What I done, I taken some paragraph, H1 something, and I had passed one style there. Okay, that I written class. What I will do, I will take this as a class. Class means what? Dot or hash?
Dot.
Dot. Okay, so I will pass one class and this class representing color as red. Now see, I had added that color and now whatever child tag inside that, which one? Div. Whatever tag inside div that got affected red due to that particular because that class is containing the color styling. Now I will do one thing. I will pass a style also. Sorry, background color also. Background color become yellow. Now what you thinking? Whether that two also will get effect or not? Anyone, please? Now
Sir,
that
first color class only will affect.
okay means now you telling that the color class become the red in the background, correct?
Yellow.
Yellow, yellow.
Oh yeah, sorry, yellow. Yeah. So let's verify. Now it become yellow. Okay. So now why I told that don't take the same class name in all. Suppose color this color class. Okay. Now this class is added where in this div. If suppose I will add the same class color here also, what will happen? It will got affected in that also. Now if I will add that here, it will got affected there also. That's why I told don't take a color means class name means all class name never we will take a same, but ID name is also the unique. But wherever you want to make effect for the same particular color, wherever you want to apply, you can take that. So in each case, you will take one ID and one class. Where on the parent, okay. But in the child means nested, okay. There you can just pass ID, that's fine. No need to take class. But suppose tomorrow if you have to make a color for this one, particularly this one, as like parent class here, then what you will do? You will pass one class here, correct or not? You will pass one class and otherwise wait. What you want? You not want for line number 25 that a color class. I want this color class just for the text in the sense H1. I want to make a color red and background color as yellow for this H1. What I will do, I will paste that color class. Okay. Now what happened? Now see that particular tag, it will get colorful accordingly the class. Up to this fine, or anybody have any doubt? So in each tag, we will pass one ID and one class, but class is not required in each case, but ID is compulsory. You have to write. In enterprise level also, when you will work in company, that time also you have to write, like in each, you have to write one ID. Okay. Whether that is parent div or child div, that's not the matter. That is for identification. Any doubt in this one? So ID and class, that's clear. Div also clear. That's and ID. How you will take ID? Tell me. How we will make that? Okay. I going to write one thing.
Hatch.
But dot or hash?
Hatch.
Hash. Okay. Now I going to make one border. Border. Okay. 2 pixel and solid and green. Okay. Now take this, pass this as last one. I want to pass here. What I will do, I will pass this ID there. Okay. And now save. Now see what it had gone, means what effect we got. Due to this ID top, we got the border because the code is written for that. Correct. Border is there. Now in place of this, just to go with 4 pixel. 4 pixel is there. So up to this fine, or anyone have any issues?
Sir, just you note, told you now, just in each div, in each every div you should we have to create class, but in sir
correct.
34 we didn't create any class, sir.
I had not created that. I told you have to create. I had not created that, but you have to create that.
Both are compulsory, sir.
Yeah. Means that who joined this guest user?
Hello.
Yeah, hello. 1 second. Who joined that guest user? Someone. Afroj, you want to tell something? Any doubt you have?
Sir, I didn't understand anything, sir.
Because you had not gone through that previous class and you had not gone through the video also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So how I can, because we had left means 3 classes you had. Those are important. So one time you can go through the video. If you're not getting, then tell me. Then I can help you in that.
Okay,
Because
sure,
if that
sir.
will be minor, we can revise. But if that is like important, then we can't actually. But anyway, we will make that. How we will do that. Just one time go through video. If not getting, then tell me. Then we will discuss.
Kausal sir,
So now,
Okay,
yeah.
okay, sir.
he is also a friend of Hemant.
Yeah.
He
Where
is
is
a friend.
Hemant not
He is
joined.
a friend of Hemant.
Yeah. No
Some
issue.
quality is
So,
Sir, I called many
okay.
times to him, but he didn't reply me, sir.
Class, 1 second. Class is going, please. And its recording session is going. So now we will start. Please unmute mute whoever have. So now we going to discuss regarding the form. So this is too much important in each website. When you're going to work on any application, anywhere, form will come. So what is the use of form and how we going to create? So when suppose that you have to collect some data from the user perspective. Okay. So everybody, I think means nobody is in this group or even on that means we can tell nowadays young generation or whatever, nobody that they can tell that I don't know what is form or this thing, because everybody using Facebook, Twitter, you have to make registration form, first registered, then login, like that. So now we know that what is the use, but we don't know how to make that. Okay, so that we will discuss how to make that form actually. Okay, so for making form, one second, let me reduce this size. Okay, so for making that form, what we will do, we have to take one tag, that is form tag. Okay, I'm going to delete this one. Okay, so what we will do, we have to take one tag, that is form tag. Okay, so with the help of form tag, we will study semantic and non-semantic. That time I will tell you after this form that what is the use of that, means why we taking div, class, span, what is difference between that. Then so form tag, so inside form tag, with the help of form, anybody can easily identify that it containing form, correct or not. Suppose that if you will take this with the help of a div, then also it will work. It is not the issue that you will take form then only it will work, no. But when you're taking form, it will get some extra feature. Okay, means in will some functionality. So that's why we are taking the form. Now suppose when I had taken form, where is my server? Yeah, when we taking form, and after that suppose you have to make one registration form, what you will do, you will take some input field. So how we will take, suppose take me some, tell me some field. Okay, go one by one. Go Abhishek, tell me some field, which field we can take.
Egg box.
Just one second. Tell me form name, what I can. Okay, admission form. Okay, tell me what all data we going to collect from the user. First, what we have to take, which field?
Name.
Name. Okay, I will do one thing, I will take H1 or okay, go with H5. Name. Okay, so name. Next, Praful, tell me which data next we can collect from the user.
Previous education.
Previous education.
Address.
Okay. Okay. Next, approach. Tell me next form data. Which one we can? Okay, Roshan. No answer. Okay. Oh, Abhishek, Prabhu, Samir. Okay, Shivani.
Sir, Gmail.
Now
Contact
education. Education.
Telling education.
Contact.
Okay, qualification. Just one
Mobile
second.
number.
Wait 1 second. What you had told?
Mobile
Qualification after that. Okay, mobile
Contact.
number. Yeah, mobile number. It came in that. Akshay.
Gender.
Okay, Vivekanand become gender. Okay, H5
Gmail.
GENDER. Email. Okay, Gmail you will take or you will take email ID.
Email ID. Email ID.
Sorry, email ID.
Okay, what is difference between Gmail and email ID? What is both actually?
Email we can say like Hotmail, Outlook, but mail in the sense we can say that like Gmail simple we are using that one.
Anyone other?
So Gmail will be the only gmail.com. In email, we can write any mail like @TCS, @gmail, @Cognizant,
Yeah.
anything.
Yeah. Oh, means you're telling my name. Okay. See, Email is the service and Gmail is the company. Correct or not?
Email is a service.
Correct or not?
Yes,
And
yes.
Gmail is the one type of, because the Google have multiple. Google Map and this, that.
Mm.
So name. So now you tell me, I have to collect the name of the user. Which type
Submit
of field
button,
you
sir.
want? Wow, correct. Super. You are now HTML developer. Submit button. How you will take data in the submit button for name field? Okay, you telling me last button. Oh,
Yes, sir.
you have to tell that one field is missing.
Vivekanand, one more button is need na reset button.
Left that. No, so just come with the name. So Shivani, tell me, Shivani Kumari, tell me in the name field, what type of field we want to collect data?
Yes.
Which type of field will be that actually?
Name, first name and second name.
No, that's fine. Whatever. But what type of field that will be?
Input field we need.
Input.
Yeah, that I was asking. So input field. So what we will do, whatever field you have to take, just go take input. Okay, hit that. Now it will ask type. Okay, so just do one thing. I will just take one data and after that I will explain. Now see, when I take in name, just go one by one. Mute yourself. When required, I will ask. What we had done? We had taken one form tag. Okay. Inside that, we had passed one action. For right now, left this action. Action means you are putting that data, deleting the data, getting that data like that type. Get, post, put, delete, those type of methods. So we have to pass there. Next, what is this? This is as a label. Okay, label in the sense for representation that what data you going to, means user have to enter. So we are telling user that we want here name. So it is not required like that. We can go proper enter name like that way. Okay, my screen is visible or not? This one
Visible.
Sir,
okay.
visual.
So what I done, I had taken one enter name field completely. Okay, next input. After some time, don't ask that how this enter name came. Okay, because this is just a label or text. Next input. Next one thing, I don't know whether in HTML that is available or not. Let me verify. Sorry, label label. I don't know whether it's there. Yeah,
it is there. It is
sorry.
there.
Yeah. So we can do one thing in place of this. We can go, means what we had written previously, that also it will work fine. Okay, oh, sorry, H1.
But H1 is the block level. That's why.
Yeah, we will verify that now. Just 1 second, Samir, 1 second. Now see what had happened when we taken H1. Go with H5. When we taken H5, what happened? That H5 enter your name and the text field for this completely, means one group, it coming down. Okay, enter name is there, but your input field is coming down. What we want? We not want like this. We want, okay, why that both are coming down? Shivani, tell me. Shivani Kumari, why enter name and input field coming down?
Yes, sir. Again.
Why? Yeah, why that both fields came down?
Came down.
Yeah.
No idea.
No idea. Okay. Shivani Sinha.
Yes, sir.
No idea.
And because of H5 head.
H5. Okay. But H5 is the brother of this one. Then why not he keeping there itself? Because these both are, means both, we want both. Okay. We want both together.
Yes.
But
Yes,
why
sir.
it came down?
Because of inline.
Okay, Samir,
Because
good.
of
Ritvik,
blocks.
block level,
This
Not
is
not
block
inline.
level
inline.
due to block level elements, sir.
Yes, sir. In a line. Yes.
Samir,
But-
sometime extra knowledge become dangerous.
But H5 is belongs to inline and level belongs to level, block level.
But where is label? I had now we are discussing on H5 and input, correct or not?
Yeah, but
Yes.
this
Huh.
one belongs to inline, na?
No, it's belong to block.
No, sir. Block.
Sis, who
Sir,
H1
this
to
Samir?
H1 to H6 is
Sir,
belong to
H5 is
block
belongs to inline, sir, because it's breaking.
Okay, Samir, one second. How you will verify whether any tag is belonging to inline or block? Just tell me.
If block in the sense, if he will be acquire some space horizontally, then we have to say that is a block level.
Okay.
And if
Okay, wait. On your answer itself, we will verify. How you will verify here that it acquiring some space for this one? Means if you telling to interviewer this thing, then how interviewer will verify that this is going to acquire some space? Getting my point?
yes, on that day you have to give answer for that. In H5 we have to write a style, and we have to give that color.
That's okay. But according to your answer, if that interviewer will tell, I have not idea regarding a style, I don't know.
Yes.
You can tell anything. If I will tell I had painted there, because CSS means a style. A style, it will do everything. It will make a block level to inline and inline to block level. Means all magic is there. It going to fail your all that scenario, whatever knowledge we have.
Okay, just tell me.
Okay, Ritvik. So how we will verify that a block level and inline element?
So due to
Ritvik. Is there or he left?
Now he left, sir. Just before second.
Oh, okay. Vivekanand.
Inline in the sense that block element it will reflect in new line, sir. And inline it will reflect in same line.
In line it will reflect same line, but how we will verify? There was one just simple definition for that one. Block and inline.
Yes, sir.
It's not this much complicated. Akshay.
Block level elements are start in a new line, sir.
Yeah, that was actually.
Yes, sir.
It going to break. Okay, block line element, it will break and start in new line.
Yes,
that
sir.
it doing. Say H1, H5. Okay.
Yes, sir.
H5 it going to break and start in the new line. But
Yes.
input is not the means input is not the block level. Input is inline element. We'll verify that. Wait. So block level in interview whenever they asking question, just for block level you can tell that a block level element it going to break into new line. Okay. So now so suppose that I not want that H5 have to break that input field. I want the both in the same continuity. How we will take? We can go for level. Okay. Means we can take anything like different tags are there, but we can go label because there is some meaning regarding that label. It is meaningful that it going to tell you some labels are there. Correct or not? Label means what?
So then level is belong to, sir, inline.
Yeah, because now see, when we take a label, this input field, it came on the same line. It not gone to break. So everyone have clear this one? Block and inline.
Yes, sir.
Block level element, it will break.
Label. What is the use of label actually?
Yeah, that's I telling. Label is a tag actually. Same type. It going to display means we will study semantic and non-semantic. Okay. In that we will discuss what is the why we taking H5 means under which category that will come. like H5, H4 label. So label mostly we always use for representing any type of labeling, like enter name, like this type. These are the label type. Okay, when you will come in the developer line, then you will slowly get that these are our label. Means manager will directly tell you that take one label and take one data field. That's it. So you will get that easily. That we will take one label there for passing that just a name or enter data anything. And for data field, we can take that input password these that as per requirement. Okay, so what we will do? Okay, so label, I think everybody got clear. Okay, now just verify regarding the input field whether this is block label or not. So see, when I will put that one more time, now see, input field coming in the nearby, correct? Means what? Both are inline or what? Inline or block label? Samir? Both came in the same horizontal plane. So now this is inline or block? I think Samir have issue dot. Okay. Abhishek.
Yes, sir.
So now what is this? Inline or block label?
Sir, inline. Inline.
Inline, because this coming on the same horizontal plane. Okay.
No.
So now what we will do? We will take field. Okay. So label, I think everybody got it. Why we are taking? Whenever there will be required to represent some field, we can go with the label. Okay. Next, come in the input field. We will take outside input. After that, we have to pass type. Type means what type of input that one. Suppose you have to enter email ID. Okay. So then we can take input type equal to email. Suppose you have to take a mobile number. You will take mobile number, means number type. When you have to take a password, you will take type equal to password. I will show you all the things. So type is clear. Why we taking the type? For taking the data, which type of data we going to collect. I will show you the difference why we are taking particular. Am I audible or any network broken? Hello?
You are audible, sir.
Okay. So next one thing I showing you. In many website you will see that enter name, here something will be written in the back. Okay, but when you going to start typing, that back side, that gray color, some information is there that going to be hidden when you start writing. That came with a placeholder. Okay, like this. See, when I taken placeholder equal to name, just go type something more. enter enter. Sorry, spelling mistake. Enter your name. Okay, now see, I had written enter your name. This will come in the placeholder. Up to this clear? Why we taken placeholder? We taken placeholder to give information to what we have to write inside. Clear? Now see, when we putting cursor, it going to blink. Okay, but when we will start typing, just a single letter, single anything, digit letter, anything, the backside data will be gone. Now remove that. It came. Getting this one? Now see, when I removing, that gone. So this type we can collect data by giving proper information. Now suppose that up to this clear or not?
Yes, sir, clear.
Clear? Okay. So for a label purpose, what you will take? Okay. Now tell me, if I not wanted to that enter name and input field on the same line, I want to break. What you will do? Don't tell that we will take H1, H5. I want the same design, means enter name, whatever font size is there, I want the same thing, but I want below.
Break tag.
Sir, BR tag, sir.
BR tag, correct or not? Shivani?
Yes, sir. BR tag.
BR tag. Okay.
Yes.
So we will go with the BR tag. Okay. So what we will do? We will pass here one BR tag. Just verify what is going to do. Now see, it came down. Okay, because when we had taken h5 or h1 anything, then that between of enter name and input field some padding is there, we getting somewhat padding, margin, those things by default. But when you going with br tag, it not. So suppose you have to move this, we will study that one in css class. So next address, which, okay, one second. Now tell me, I think, yeah, okay. So now tell me address, which type of data it will be? It will be like also text, number, anything, or just text? What?
Both text and number.
Both, okay. So we will again go with input type equal to text. What I will do here, we will write placeholder. For what purpose? Placeholder for proper information. Okay. So ADDRESS address. Okay. Now save. Now see, it came down. Now you can verify here. H5 is there and input is there. That's why, see, in the middle, means sorry, in the label and input field, margin is there. So that's why we had taken what? Label field. Okay. LABEL, label. Okay. Now see, due to label, it gone that side. Okay. We will discuss that later. What I will do, I will copy this because now we got that. Now you have to tell what was their qualification. QUALIFICATION, qualification. Enter QUALIFICATION. QUALIFICATION, qualification. Left this mobile number. PILE. Mobile number. Now gender is there. Gender, okay. Email ID. Now tell me from starting which type of field we will take. What was here? Mobile number, no? Now, oh sorry. What was there last? Mail ID. Now tell me from the first one, which type of data bit will collect? Yeah.
Sir, BR tag.
Okay. We will look over that later. Not an issue. Okay. Otherwise, now itself. Now tell me if I want to group together in one and I want to break, how we will do? Break tag is okay for this one. Okay. For breaking label. Now see, it got broken. Okay. That is wrong position. Label input. Okay. No, that's fine. Internet. Okay. Now tell me how we can group this with input enter name and this one together, and I want to break here also. Oh, means you're telling to break here, add BR here also, correct? Means before of address.
Sir, we can use
Yes,
table.
sir, after.
Yeah, Amardeep, what are you telling?
Sir, we can use table here.
Table, it will not look good.
No, sir.
So, see, what we will do? We will put div. What I told, I had told that div is a block label element. It's going to break you. Okay. Always don't take BR tag. Take div also. Now see, it going to break or not? That's why I had told Always whatever code
Then
you
sir,
going to
we
write.
are no need of BR sir tag here.
Yeah. So always don't take BR. Wherever required, only take that time. Don't think it is free of cost. Okay. It is chargeable. You when you will work in company, that time you will realize what is the cost.
Then we have to create class ID in here, sir.
So we will pass here div in all section. Then you have to take a class ID. Okay, now you can realize what will be the ID name. Just wait. If this class will be on Saturday, now we can cover this one in proper manner actually. Okay, now we got all the things broken. Now I want somewhat a space. Okay, so do one thing. Now add one BR in each middle of each for right now, because we had not a steady margin padding this, that's why. Otherwise we will go with that also. Now tell me from starting what ID name we will take. Okay, I will go one by one. Akshay, tell me for first field, what will be the ID? Means what ID we can take for first one? ID? Name, correct. Now, Vivekanand, tell me what ID we will take for second field?
Address.
Let me tell one thing. You know how to format the code? Anyone? See, what we are doing, I'm going to maximize the screen. See, now this is looking proper. How you will verify that look proper or not? When you will collapse this, otherwise when you will put cursor here, scroll the up, means that mouse, you will get that exact, okay? This line. When you going on div, see, opening and closing is here. It will look like that. When you're putting on anywhere, it will give you proper notation of last one. When you're putting cursor over div, now see, bottom got highlighted. Okay. When you're putting anyone, see, bottom get highlighted. So this we can tell that it is proper formatting. Okay. So what you will do, suppose that I going to, 1 second, I going to write like this type. Oh my God. Yeah. I going to write like this way. Because when you will write code, na, it will be sure like this way. Anything we going to write. No need to anyone proper. Like this way. Is this easy to understand the code?
No.
No.
It's very complicated. You can't able to identify where is the starting, which tag have error, this, that, anything. What we will do, Control A, right click. After right click, see here, format document is there. Okay. You can, if you want, you can write the step. What you will do, Control A, right click, format document. Okay. Just click format document. Wait. It's not done that one. Because if you will do manually more than that one. So after that, actually, you will get that document to get formatted. Otherwise, shortcut is there. Now see, with shortcut, it get format. Okay. Shortcut is there. What was the shortcut? See here, shortcut is written Shift Alt F. Okay. Shift Alt F. So had written everyone shortcut format document.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See here in the bottom, this port number 5500. See here, prettier is there. This is one type of formatter. When you will click on this, you will get, I think, maybe it giving or not. Yeah, it will give you like different accordingly. Whatever formatter is installed, it will give. See what we had installed. We had installed git lens. It's showing that git lens is there. So whatever extension we will, it will. So prettier is a formatter. One option was there actually. Okay. For right now, just to go this one. So with the help of this, we can format the code. Otherwise, it will not look proper. So each time when you're writing the code, format that. Don't left. Make this a habit. So now save. Okay, now see what we got. With due to the break, we got one grouping of input and label. Up to this, any doubt anyone have? Tell me. No doubt. Okay, so we was going on the ID. So what Akshay told, for first field ID he had taken ID equal to name. Okay, now tell Shivani what will be the ID for this one. Sorry, not label, on div. Okay, wait 1 second. Akshay, just tell me, as I told, ID we will take for all field. Okay, let me increase this, then it will be fine. ID be taken for the name, means a div section. Now tell me the ID for the label.
Name and underscore label.
Okay, you're telling name underscore label. See now, okay, that's fine. Next, ID for input field.
Name underscore input.
Input. Now see the technique, how we are identifying the name. Why we taken this field as a ID as a name? Because this field, this div going to represent the name area, name section. Whether label or input field, that's not the matter. That's why we had taken ID as a name. Okay, or otherwise you can take a name block. Name, don't write. See, there are 2 or 3 ways of writing. Name underscore BLOCK. One thing, never take capital letter in the starting. Always take a small letter. Okay. One option, by doing underscore block. Just write down these all technique actually. This will be helpful. Second option, underscore, don't take underscore. Then what we will do? Name, put B, capital B, BLOCK, block. This way is known as the camel case. Okay, camel case in the sense, name field was small, second field block. In the starting of second field, we had taken capital letter. Okay, that's why this process, writing of this way, is known as the camel case. So in this way also we can write, but always try to take name as like proper manner. Like now we take a name block. So same type, what we will do? We will take, suppose address block. Correct or not? For address field, ID equal to address block. Why we taken block? Because that containing div. Okay, ADDRESS, address block. So what will be the that qualification? Tell Shivani. Now we will go for the ID, means ID of each div.
Qualification block.
Yeah. So what we will do? We will take a qualification block. Okay. QALIFICATION, qualification block. Now Vivekanand, tell.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, we can't create sir class here.
Wait, we will take all the things. Why not? See, we can take all the things, but ID is compulsory. See, Vivekanand, we can't write all the things each time. Correct? So whatever is unique and whatever necessary, that I can write each time. But class ID, as per discussion, I had told, we can take all the things as per requirement. So ID for the mobile number, what we will take? ID for this block.
Contact block.
Where is written contact? Anywhere it written? Everybody had taken whatever containing, like, see, what this field was containing, enter name section. Okay, that's why taken simple.
Yeah, mobile number
block,
then mobile number block.
And one thing, see what we had done, we had taken block in the last in all. Okay, see, yes. Block we had taken in each naming convention. See that block we had taken in each section, we had taken in the last. So we are going in that, we are following up that type of sequence. Okay, so what was the block? Mobile block. Okay, mobile block. Next day, block name Praful. Okay, what block?
Hello, gender block.
Gender. Okay. Next, what we will take? Email.
In div not.
Email ID block, sir.
Oh, sorry. I have to take on div actually.
Email ID block.
Yeah. So we can take email ID or email. That's not an issue. Both same. We can take that. So email block. Okay. So now what we had done, we had pass ID for each div section. Now come to the field. So as like this was containing label tag, and it was containing label also. So that's why we had taken label underscore name underscore label. So as like this, we will go for all. Anybody have any doubt this one? So what we will do, we will pass here label. Okay, and what? Anyone?
Address.
Address. Next label,
Qualification.
Abhishek, are you there? Oh, sorry, I will take
Yes,
on
sir.
this
There.
one. Yeah. So tell me a label for this one.
Sir, qualification.
You, complete name you have to tell.
Qualification level.
QUALIFICATION. Qualification level. Next, tell me for mobile number. What will be?
Sir,
Mobile
mobile
level.
level.
Mobile underscore.
Mobile level. MOBILE. Mobile
Mobile
level.
underscore
Okay. Yeah. Underscore level. Then gender. Sorry.
gender underscore level.
So I think now you got how we are taking this one. Okay. So one more is there.
Okay. Email underscore label.
Email underscore label. Now suppose now we have to go with the input field. What he had taken? Name underscore input. Otherwise, that's fine. Name input. Okay. So next, otherwise you can take here name field also. Name input is also fine, not an issue. Means with the naming convention you can go. Now you can pass this. Okay. Now take that. I will do simple way. See, what is the simple way I is showing you? First paste in all. Now Control F for find and Control V for paste. I taken that one completely. Okay. What I want to replace. Okay. It's not okay. We will go one by one. Okay. So just go this one. Okay. What is this? This is address. ADDRESS. Add. Sorry. ADDRESS. Okay. Address. Then name. What is this? QUALIFICATION. Qualification. Then next. MOBILE. Mobile. What is this? GENDER. Gender. What is this? EMAIL. Email. Is it fine for all? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now we will take one day. We will take one button. Okay. So as like in all case, we take a label and input. Here two options. You can go with one button is also there. Okay. It will also do same thing. But one more thing is there. Input itself. Okay. And in type case, we can change that. But we will go one by one. That one. Not an issue. So up to this I will do. Remaining like adding class, whatever is pending, you can do. Now you got the idea how we taking the naming convention, correct or not? Regarding ID and class, class will also same type. So up to this clear how we will take the naming convention, or anyone have doubt? Hello?
Yes, sir. Okay.
No, sir.
So I think clear. Okay. So wait. Let it be, yeah. So there will be no any effect, but now see, what is this input? Okay. So now we will go on the top. Yeah. So first was enter name. What we will do? We will collect here text or number because somebody have name like 4, 5 in the last. We can add that. In the address section also, it will be like that. We can collect the data like text and number both. So type will be text. So what we got? One type as a text where we going to collect data as a number. Whenever there will be requirement for number, letter, letter, alphabet, anything, exclamation mark, anything, you can go with the text. But qualification, suppose that you not want like UG, PG like this way. You want, okay, for this also qualification, which type you will take? What are the possibility? Hello?
It may be go by sir highest age qualification or qualification.
Text will be
That's
suitable, sir.
text field suitable.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes.
Let it to be.
Yes, sir.
So text. So here you can enter directly that you are UG. Okay. Now in the qualification, that's fine. Now tell me mobile number. What will be mobile number? Anyone have mobile number like this type? Anyone's?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. Then why
No,
you will
sir.
take means why you will permit user to pass this type of data? These are the bugs. This type of things testers are doing. Testers are finding that what are the bugs. Mobile number means always this will be number. So what we will do in mobile number block, see in mobile number block in input field type will be what? Now I don't know what but I don't know what are the types. Do one thing, remove that and place control space. You will get the suggestion. Getting this all? Because we had installed HTML extension. If you have not that this installed, you will not get. Okay. So now this type, these all are HTML extensions. So we want a number. Okay. Just hit enter. You will get number. Now verify whether it giving you to means giving permit to pass only numbers or letter also. Now see. Now I passed number, but I trying to pass a letter, but it's not giving permission. Okay. So this way we can restrict user. Now here you can see that up and down arrow. When you will click this, automatic number will come. See. Getting this? So this way we can take input field means data from the user as per requirement means number or letter. Now up to this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in the
For
case
the
of gender.
shortcut sir, you put a shift type of space. What you put?
Okay. 1 second. Okay, wait. Where is that gender number? Okay. In case of number, control and a space. You will get that suggestion. In all case, whether you working on Java or this one, anything, you have to pass control and a space. When you pressing, you get suggestion. Not a here only in each language. So you can take number. Where is number? Number is there. Okay. So in the case of gender, now if you taking suppose that as a text. And now you just imagine if you have to verify, suppose that anybody is writing anything. This become bugs because whether they can write male, either female or either anything. Okay, only 3 possibility. So you can, but user are going to pass like this. What are the possibility input field we can take here? What are the possible? Had anybody seen in the case of a gender input field that input field is
Radio
there?
buttons.
Radio button. So what is radio button? There is gender block. Okay. So remove this type and check that type. Type is radio. Now see radio is there. Okay. So when you clicking, now see radio become that one. Okay. Just this will be one time clickable. If once you clicked, you can't left that one. That is the thing in the case of radio button. Okay. So we will take radio button in the case of gender. Now suppose here you have to show male and one female. How you will do that one? You can take here input field, and here suppose you had taken one label and you passed that MALE, mail. Now see, mail and that radio button. Okay. And same type, go here and pass that. Oh, sorry. FE. Now see, female came and one radio button came. Okay, like this way we can do that. So one radio button and this is another radio button. But see, now both are not working. Means both got selected. What is the process of that? We will look one by one that one. For right now, just go through this one. So next, email. In the case of email, what is the possibility? In the case of email, we can take text itself, not an issue. Let's verify. I think email is also there in one type. Okay, email is there. Let's see what is the problem in the case when we not taking. Hello.
Yes, yes, yes. We are here.
Okay. Now see, if I taking this and just to go out, is it any error? No, it's not showing any error, but it will show you error when you will not take. When we will validate the form, it will show you error. Okay, so that time we can pass a type equal to email, but basically we can take that type equal to email. Now, in the case of button, what I told, we can pass two things. One, type equal to button is also one type. See in the first itself. So we can go with button. Now see what we will get there. Now what this is. Okay, let's comment this one and comment this. Okay, type equal to button we had taken. Now save this. We got this type. Okay, now right here submit. SUBMIT, submit. Now button came this type. Okay, now comment this and now come to this one. Okay, now tell me, in this case, no text is there, but how we will write and where? Anyone, any idea? In this button case, there is no text on top, means over button. Then how anybody will get that this is a button? Any idea? My internet is working or not?
There is a tag called button, sir.
Tag called button. We taken that one actually.
No, sir,
but
it is not tag.
That's
You have
okay.
written type.
No, when I taken button, okay, it
Okay,
had worked.
Yes.
But when I taken input and type equal to button, see, type equal to button. Now button is coming, but there is no anything written on the top. Then how we will get that? Which button actually? Reset button, send button, submit button. Which type of button? How we will
Submit
verify?
button, sir. Submit button.
But where is name?
We will write it on name.
Where we will write?
Name.
Sir, in name.
In the name attribute.
Name. Okay, let's verify. SUBMIT submit. What happened? It gets saved, but nothing came.
You try with value.
Why I will try? Why not? Sure.
You always told na learning is the hit and try.
Okay, let's try with value because I think you are. Oh, why this Hindi typing? So we have to pass here value. Okay, then it will work. So go with value and pass SUBMIT, submit, save. Now submit button came. So when you're taking button tag itself, see two things is there. Let me BUTTON button submit. See, when you take in button, then we have to write that text which we want on the top in the middle of that one, opening and closing tag. Okay, but when you're taking input field and type as button, so in that case you have to pass, not in the case of name, remove this now, later we will discuss. In the case of value we have to pass. Okay, we have to pass value, then we will get that one. So up to this, anyone have any issue? How we will take ID and a means a naming convention, those things, why we taking number type, why we taken that type equal to radio, why we taken text. Anyone have any doubt?
Suppose I want to take checkbox.
Don't suppose, we will do that later, but up to this,
Yes.
don't suppose.
Answer button submit 3 Kims are in output.
No issue, let it to be, because I had taken here 2, that's why it's coming, it looking 3 to this. Now tell, anyone have any issue up to this? I think no issue. Abhishek, anyone, any issue you have?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, so this way we can design our form, but in form that is not only the possibility we have to take this much only, but suppose that now we will go one by one different types. After that we will see what are the, now also we had discussed all the things approx here. Input, why we take an input for passing that it is input tag actually. So ID, why we taken, we already know that. Type, why we taken, because we want that type. Then placeholder, I already discussed why we taken. Okay, in case of a radio button, we had taken that placeholder or not? Radio button, yeah, we had taken placeholder, but see it's not coming because there is no space. That is radio, that's why. Okay, take here name and RD, take RD, yeah, your radio. Now just verify. Now see, previously this one was means both was not clickable. Okay, because and now this both are clickable. Why? Because I pass one tag their name. Okay, and name going to group that both radio button, that both is belonging to same type. Suppose you taken one more radio button here. Okay, now see, now you will verify. Now see, okay, we taken one more radio button. So, but what I will do, I will remove that name. Whatever we are learning now, same thing will come in the Angular and again in CSS and again in Bootstrap. Now tell me the issue. Why this both got selected? Anyone, please, fast.
Sir, name.
Name attribute.
Yeah, because we had not taken name property. See, in our code. In case of male, we taken one name. In case of here, we taken one name. But in case of others, we not taken name. That's why. Because name is going to group that. With the help of name, we going to group. Name means just naming convention, means name is just like name, whatever we already have for the identification purpose. But means that's it going to identify and it going to group together. Now suppose you had passed, now see, we'll verify, it get clicked, it's also fine. Now it's fine. Okay, but once you click radio button, you can't able to change that. That's why in the optional paper, whenever government exam or any type of interview or any exams, radio button is there. So be careful. This is the property that once you clicked, you can't able to change. Now next, okay. So name you got that. Okay. So name we will get later also. Now in the case of qualification, it is not good that you giving the user to take means add the value as like UG, PG, 10th, 12th. You want that user always want means always have to enter like this type 10th. Okay, you want like this type, but a user coming and he entered like this way. Your database, it will look like complete bug. Okay, because you want from the user that he always data like this way, but user entering like this way, 10, 12, 20, 30 like this type. So what we will do? Which type of how we will collect data? Which field we can take? Okay, so we will take that drop down. Okay, so now see how we will take that drop down. So in the place of text, remove this and go for what we will do? Control space. No need to write. Drop down is there. Just see. Where is the drop down? Radio, search, submit, tell URL. Where is? Sorry. Actually, in case of drop down, it will not come directly. Mute. Somebody
Sir, is
join
there
us.
any attribute called select over there?
No, select is not. That's actually that I have to write. Select and option. Then it will come. Yeah, we will pass select and then option. Whatever options you passing there. Okay, that we have to give. Mute. Why India Pakistan fight is going? Oh my God. Oh, again, Vivekanand. Who is this? If you will make short like this type, na, Amardeep will be getting shocked and he will start scolding on the client. Amardeep, believe you have to keep patience. Okay, so now we want data 12th. Sorry, what is this? Now see, when I had saved, okay, let me decrease this, not required this one. Okay, so when I had what I done actually, just verify clearly here. I want to make a space, that's why I taking this BR. So what I done, I taken select. Whenever there will be requirement for the drop down, you have to pass one select. Okay, and you have to pass this name, ID, everything as usual. Now inside select, suppose that there are multiple options, correct or not? 10th, 12th, Abhishek.
Yeah, correct, sir.
Correct, because when you
Yes.
selecting anything, multiple option will be there, 10th, 12th, UG, PG, higher qualification, all things. So what we will do in that case, we always trying to, when there will be multiple option, go with a drop down. Means you can decide whether we can go drop down or radio button or anything. All will work same type. 10th, 12th, now go with UG, okay, and now go with PG.
Sir, what is the drop down?
Yeah, 1 second. Yeah, now see, it will give possibility to select multiple value. Okay, now I want PG, just click that. Now in that drop down area, PG got selected. But suppose that you have the chance that you want only 3 field. There is requirement of just 2 field or 3 field. We can go with radio button. Okay, because it going to consume your space. It not look that too much. Now just imagine 4 options are there. I will show that with the help of radio button. Now you can choose which one will be good. Input and type equal to radio. Okay. Okay, no need to name. Okay, left that name we will. I had taken 4 drop down. Okay, same type I taken here 4 value, means 4 different radio button. 10th, 12th. Okay, then UG, then PG. Now see, Sorry. Now tell me, is this clear for, means is it properly visible or not? 10th,
Clear, sir,
12th,
clear.
10th, 12th, UG, PG. Okay. Now just you can imagine, here also you can select only one value. Now it will not work because I not taken name property. Okay. So we can select here also. Just to do one thing. Take name also. Take RADIO radio. Don't think that always we will pass here radio itself. No, we can pass here gender, anything, but all have to same name. It not should have to vary. Now see, when we selecting this name means 10th, 12th, UG, PG, anything. Only one will be option. Next, when you selecting this one, 10th, 12th, UG, PG, here also only one option. Means we are providing facility to user to select only one from that whatever values are there. Now suppose you have a space issue on your browser. What you will do? Which one you will go? Whether radio drop down or radio? Because in both case only one value will be selected. Correct or not? Anyone?
We'll go for radio button.
Why?
Because of if I will take a drop down now, it will be take a vertical space. So it will be effect. It will be effect on new in below have any element. It will be effect on below element.
That's fine. We can restrict that also. Whatever space is there means whatever data is there, we can restrict that. We can means we wanted to display only for data. Whatever data is there, scroll with a scroll, it will come. So see, that will not good practice whenever like more data is there. Now suppose that you telling that okay, for right now you telling more data, then it will get overlap. Okay, fine. But just tell me now, just for data. But tomorrow it's coming like 100 of data in the drop down field. Will you go for the radio button for the same thing? Because now we working on the qualification side. Okay, for data, then okay, we have be going on the radio button as your opinion. But if you have 100 data, whether this radio button will be fine for that 100 data?
No, absolutely no.
No. And one thing, when suppose more data is coming on this drop down, we can restrict that to visual only for data, and after scrolling we can get. As like on any website, suppose on this document itself, many data is there. We can scroll and we can get. We are restricting some area. So as like that, we can restrict that. It's not the matter. Okay. So whenever as per requirement we are going, means this drop down going to be a space saving, but this radio button taking the space permanent, because in both case we will get only one option, means only will get only one output, whether 10th or 12th or UG or PG. But when we going with drop down, here also we will get only one thing, whether 10th, 12th, UG, PG. But in drop down, we can get multiple also. Later you will study that we can select multiple value also here. But now for right now, just think only one. That's it. So now is it clear when we go for radio button and when we go for checkbox? When there will be a space saving issue, we can go with that checkbox. Sorry, drop down. When there will be a space complexity, then we will go with that drop down. When there will be no issue of a space, just a 2 or 3 field, 2, 3 field, we can go with radio button. That's it. Okay. Anyone issue?
No, sir.
No issue?
No,
okay.
sir.
So now next, I'm going to delete this. This is not. We can go with anyone, not the problem. Nobody going to restrict you, but you will never see that type of things actually. When you have to take data UG, PG, 10th, 12th, means that's okay. Just when we have to collect only 2 fields data, we will go with radio button. Why will go that much check that drop down and those things? So we can means according to our need and client requirement, we can select that. If they're telling no, we want only drop down, you have to take that because they are giving money. Why I will think whatever they're telling, just to do that's it. Okay, so drop down. So how we will take that drop down? Now you got that. First we have to take select and then we have to pass option. In option, whatever things is there. And one thing, whatever you had written outside means output and input, middle of input and output tag, it will be visual on this area only. So when you selecting this, suppose you selected 12th. So for getting the value from that 12th, you have to pass here field, means in the value section 12th. When you will pass this 12th, sorry, yeah, 10th, then when you will select 10th, you will get this value. Okay, as per in database, we will pass the data, then we will get that. So this type we can get a multiple field. So now we will go one by one. Okay, whatever pending, I will not go proper, just I will take that field for just a revise purpose. So button, already we got that, how we will take and what is the use. Whenever there is requirement of click, we can take that. What is the use of checkbox? So suppose that when there is requirement for the multiple input, okay, so we can go with the checkbox. Suppose that in which case multiple input will be possibility. Can anyone give example?
Address.
Okay, address. Okay, correct. So we can go with no. Okay, let it to be permanent. Okay, PERMANE, permanent address. Okay, and the second is the temporary address. Do one thing, copy, complete, and pass. Oh my God, what happened? Okay, let it to be temp address. Okay, next is others address. Okay, now see, when we take in checkbox, wait one thing, let me comment, otherwise it will be difficult to you. Now see, when we take in permanent address, there is one checkbox. When we take in temporary address, there is one checkbox. When we take in other address, there is one checkbox. So when we want to collect multiple data from the user, we can go with which one? Radio or checkbox or drop down?
Checkbox.
Checkbox. Okay, so in that case, we can go with the checkbox. Now next, here is the field. Okay, today I will complete this input completely. Next, which field is pending? Button already completed, checkbox completed, color I don't know what is this one. Let's verify what is this. Oh, that is for color. So when there is, suppose that you have need to take the color also, you can take this color. I don't know what here we can pass, whether it will required. I not thinking. It will not do anything. That's not an issue. So actually see what it will do. When you will take type equal to color, sure from here you have to collect data. Then you will pass this value, and with the help of that you can get that value of that color. Means when now it is looking like just simple. When you will click over this, you will get this completely. Okay, and now you can select as your whatever color you want. Okay, now selected. When you will pass this value, you will get data. We will discuss later regarding the value section, not an issue. For right now, just to go one by one input field. Okay, so next field, button already completed, checkbox completed, color completed, date. When there will be date. Okay, so now see what we got. DD underscore YY. Let me check how many mail is there. Okay, so now check for go with the date. Okay, what we will do? We will click this. Okay, now it asking regarding the date DD. Let's verify we can pass the data or not. Okay, so suppose I have to enter 10. We can suppose 5. Pass 0, 5. Okay. Here month. First. Oh, directly it coming Jan 5. Okay. Jan. Next. Go next field. 22022. Okay. This become your date, month, and year. But I not want to enter like this way. No issue. Click on this calendar section. It will give you calendar completely. Go up. Whatever date you want. Select this. But I not selected month. Okay. Select month. But I not selected suppose year. Okay. See in the bottom. You getting here years. Okay. Whatever year you want. Suppose 2024. Suppose that this one. Then date. Okay. Like this way we can take a date field. Any issue in this one? Any issue? Anyone? Any issue?
No, sir. No, sir.
No issue. Okay. Next field. Whatever is that. Next pending field, button completed, checkbox complete, color, date and time. Okay. Suppose if there is requirement, that I want to collect date and time both. Okay. Is this input field? Oh, then this is working as just like input. Okay. Date is fine. Later also you will get many things like this. Not an issue. Next. Button complete, checkbox, color completed, date and time left, date and time local. What it will do? Let's see. Yeah. So date time local. Now see here you can pass directly whatever date you want, whatever month you want, whatever time. Otherwise you can click on this. You will get all the calendar. Okay. Just click today. Okay. Now see it taken 17 Jan. Today is 17. Yeah, 17 and 8:54 time. So it giving 8:53 time. When you will refresh this again, take this today. Oh, it giving 1 second less, 1 minute. Okay, so this way we can collect the data of with time. Any issue? I think all are sleeping.
No, sir, we are here.
Date time. Now email already we have taken. Now suppose that you have to upload your resume, okay, or you have to upload your photo, image, anything. What you will do? You have to take that input type equal to file. So when you will take, see, I not writing anything anywhere. Just I taking type equal to something. That's it. And due to that, whatever functionality is there, it coming automatic. So when you taking type equal to file, when you will click, see, no file is chosen. Okay, I not written anything. When you're clicking on this one, choose file. So it will give you automatic. Okay. And when you will select that file, double click or open, something is there. Suppose we taken this one and click on open. When you're taking open file, see, file text will come here. Okay. Whatever. Now see, whatever will be written, it will come automatic. So this way we can collect data of a file or from the user. Any issue? Okay. Next. Is that next one? It is pending. So button complete, checkbox completed, color, date, time, email. Okay. Let's go with a hidden. What it will do? Will it do anything? See, you have to observe one thing. If you guessed correctly, then I will thought you not sleeping. Otherwise, where is that? Okay. go with full screen. It is written in, oh sorry, input file. Oh. Oh, it's not done. Okay, then what is the use of hidden? Any idea? Anyone have? Hello?
No idea, sir. What is the use? Do I think it
No
will...
one. No one. Anyone have any idea regarding hidden?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir. No.
Idea. Okay, let's verify if I taking type equal to what, where that gone? Type equal to text, what it will do. See, when I taken type equal to text, okay, and when I had passed value equal to name, where it came, this value. See, where it came, value in the input field, correct? Correct
Yes,
or
sir.
not?
Yes,
If you
sir.
will remove this, okay, it get removed. But when you will refresh this page, again that value will come, because that field is coming from here due to this value. Now when you taking type equal to what, hidden, okay, now I going to save. What happened? Where is that? Where that gone?
It's hidden file, sir.
That not a hidden file, that get a hidden, because the type equal to itself is hidden, correct? So with the help of a hidden, we can hide the element. Okay, we can hide something. Now let's verify whether, what is this one? What this known as? Any idea?
Sir, DOM.
DOM. Okay. Just now you have to verify properly, because this is the too much important question in interview they are asking for confusing purpose actually.
Document objective model.
Oh, correct. Who is speaking? Roshan?
Roshan, sir.
Oh, just now wake up. Good morning. Now
No, sir.
see. Now see what we had done. Where is that field? Oh my God, that on that side. Let me break. Yeah. Now just verify hidden is available here. My screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Is it type equal to hidden available in this section?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's point out where this is actually. Up to this input field, sorry, type equal to file. Then where is that hidden? Not available there. Okay. But if suppose that is not available on the UI, but that is available on DOM, correct or not? This is your DOM. This is not your source code. Anyone have confusion? This is source code or DOM? This is your DOM.
Sir.
Because if we writing anything, just see here itself, remove type and go with text and hit enter. Now text came, correct? But when I taking this and type equal to hidden, gone, because this is DOM. So when you taking in interview, they asking what is the use of, means how you will hide the content. So there are many ways, like we can take a hidden. Okay, now itself you can see type equal to hidden. It going to hide the content, but from where? From the UI. This is your UI. Getting my point? From the UI, we can hide the content, but that thing will be available where? Where that is going? That is available in the DOM. Okay, so that will be available in the DOM. Now you can imagine if this is available here, and suppose this field containing your suppose that password. Okay, 125 @ something. Suppose that you are containing there some password. Okay, now if you want, you can inspect that code. Suppose the person who doing these all thing activity, they can inspect the code and they can go through one by one line and they can easily find out this something is there written, but that is not the part of UI because the type is hidden, but he containing some data here. So that's why whenever there is need of hide the data, you can use a hidden property, but you have to take care whether that is required to completely remove from DOM or not. Because if you putting the data in the DOM, hackers will find out and they will easily identify. Okay, so this is the difference in hidden. When you using a hidden tag, that gone to remove from the DOM. I discussing about the HTML tag. I not going on that like CSS. In CSS also you will get, but when you're using type equal to hidden, it is not available in the UI, but it will be the part of our DOM. Okay, this is the difference. So you have to take care. Why be using hidden? Hidden to just hide the element from the UI, but it will present in the DOM section. That is difference. Okay, clear? Because in interview they are asking this question. What is the use of hidden?
Yes.
So now, yeah. Oh, we was going through this one. So next, sorry, I forgot to write input. So next input type equal to what? Be taken up to hidden. Now suppose you have to take image. Okay. Now go fast. Yeah, image. Now just image type is there. No, sorry, not a type. Oh, wait. I think it will going to collect data of image type. What it will do? You have idea? Never use this tag actually. I think it will display your image. Here we can pass that SRC. SRC or href? Which one?
SRC.
Really? SRC will come here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
v.gif. Oh, siege started. Okay, so with the help of image tag, we can pass that. But what is the use actually? There is no use. Just use this one. Okay, next with input. And what is next input? Next input is email be taken. Okay, month. What is the use of month? Now see. Just click this. Wait, let me stop this baby. This is disturbing. Okay, so now go for month. What we will do? We will just click this. It will give you month. Okay, but it's not giving you year. See, year is written there, but it's not going to give a permission to click. Okay, we can select that month. It will auto select this year. Got this? With the help of month, if there is requirement to take month, we can pass that way. Now next. Wait. First. So month. Again number. Already we seen that when there is requirement for number, we can take. Now password. What is the use of this one? Just to see. Approx completed. PASSWORD. Password. Now see, what is the use of password? Had you seen while registering and login, when you entering something, dot dot will come. With the help of password, when we taking type equal to password, then only dot dot will come. Okay, it not going, means that is encrypted, that we can tell. Encrypted, then we have to decrypt that, then we can get that value. Okay, so we can take always in the case of password as a password. Now next input, let's verify. So month, number completed, password completed, radio button completed, range is there. Okay, how many there? Okay, just fusion also. Range, suppose that you have to select some value in some range. Okay, like a qualification, means like percentage, your percentage should be like 70 to 80, so you can pass that value. How you will pass that value? Outside you can. Okay, I think it has some, let's, I don't know whether it is that or not. Mean value 10, let's see. Okay, something was there for this field also, I think. Mean length. Okay. Okay, so outside we can write that also. What is the minimum value we have to take or what is maximum? So these all things in with the help of Bootstrap, you will get many functionality and it's proper there. So with the help of range, we can select the value from some middle range, means in the range section, 70 to 80, 80 to 90, like this way. Next input field. Next input field, what is that? Name, radio button, range is okay, reset not an issue. It is just like a button, you can go with that, then I think button will come. Yeah, when you will click, it is working as a for resetting the data input field. What we are doing actually, we are going one by one. What are the types? So you will be aware that these all are available. So when there will be required, you can get that easily. So search, what is the need in the Google? What we are doing, we are typing something. With the help of search, we can. Okay, see here you can anything. Now see the cross symbol is coming. Click this. Okay, so this is the help with the help of search. You can't do this with the help of input. Don't think that with the help. Oh, this is password field. Okay, so don't think with the help of input also we can do. No, each has their own functionality. So type equal to what next? Number completed, password, range, reset, search, submit already done. Submit is just like the submit button, but functionality in the case of button and type equal to submit, both have different. When we will work on that, we will get tail is like a telephone. Let's me verify this. Where is the tail? Tail is this one. Okay. What is the need of this one? No, there is not an issue. 1 second. I think no. So it will be same. Now next input field, what is the type? I think now it's looking like easy, correct or not? So next is URL. It's look like simple or not?
Simple, sir.
Yeah. So this way we can go one by one. Suppose URL, it will give you access, means it will verify easily error that it have to be like HTTP or www dot like this way. So we can go one by one in that. That time validation time it will give you more effective. So now next one, that is big. That's it. So when you clicking this, it will give you now see. Okay. When there is a need of selection from this big to that big. Okay. So in that case, you can go with this one. Now suppose we have to select this 27 from when it came 52 bigs. Okay, 1 second. Clear this one. Type data is coming here. 22nd September. Oh, this numbering, this beak is coming and this beak is going to select. I don't know what it is doing. From where it counting that value. Okay, no issue. So when there will be like you want the big number, see this weak value, that time you can get this one. So when you will work, you will get that where you have to use. So this type we had discussed all the types. Okay, so as per our requirement, we can go one by one. So now tell me, anyone have any issue in this one? Hello?
No, sir. No issue.
No issue. So now see what we had discussed. Just I will take 5 minutes. That's it. Now see in the HTML form, we already passed the data, and here we can pass whatever requirement like label, input, like those. Okay. Now input element. In input, we can pass type equal to text, type equal to radio. Yeah, type equal to text, type equal to radio, type checkbox, submit, button already be discussed. So text field. What is the need of text field? Already for taking the input. See, define a single line input field for the text input. Okay, just which we had discussed for taking the data as input from the user. So see here, what he done? Form one label he taken and one input field he taken. Why he taken this form? I will tell later. Left this one. In Bootstrap we will discuss this. Now next, type already be discussed. ID already we had discussed. Name field. Name we will discuss when we will collect data. Now we had not discussed that one, but somewhere already we used. So label, why we taken label? For representing the label. Okay. So if you want to more, now itself you can go through the documentation and you will get clear. But we already discussed everything. Radio, when we taking radio button, as usual, you know that. Now checkbox, we discussed that also. Now submit button, that also discussed. Now name attribute, I not discussed. I will discuss later. In some case I had discussed. Now HTML form attribute, as I told, in the form we have to pass one action. Okay, this action, what action will do? Action will, yeah, action and method, two things will be there actually. So what was there written for our side? Method or action? Where is this?
Action.
Let's uncomment this one. Form, yeah, action. Sorry. So in action case, we have to pass some address where we are passing data. There is one more thing, method. Okay. So in case of method, we have to pass something like a server side. See, already you will get here, get post. Which type of operation you doing? Suppose that I doing post means passing data. So we will use post method. Okay. So here action means on this page he going to pass the data. That's why he taken action here. So ID, name, this later we will get this. Then target attribute, already everyone know. This is not the form section. This is for the image one. Oh, sorry. What happened? Control Y. Wait. Where is that? So form attribute. What are the form attribute have? Okay. So form attribute. Okay. Now tell me. Action is there. And one more thing I had written, method. Okay. So what these both are known as? Hello? Anyone is there or not?
Action where we have to place that it show in action.
Okay.
And what you have to post or get in, we can paste in method.
Okay, that's fine. But what this combinedly known as? Means as like in image, we had pass src, alt. What was those known as? Anyone? Attribute. Okay, so that's the type itself. Action and method, these are known as attributes. For whom?
Form.
For form. Okay, that is the thing. So those are attributes. Now target attribute, already we know that. Okay, now method attribute, what I told, which type of method you doing, get or post. Later we will get this, but for right now just Just aware. Get means getting data. Post means passing data. Passing data means saving data. When you will study this, you will get more. But this thing we will discuss in Angular and JavaScript everywhere. Autocomplete attribute, it going to complete. Okay, this is not needed. Non-validate, no validate attribute. It is a boolean, not so form attribute already. Okay, autocomplete encrypt method. This much is not required, but just we can see now each input field. This already we discussed. Okay, input method. So I think now in this area we had covered all the things. Okay. So now tell me, anyone have any doubt? Now see, multiple selection, allow multiple selections. Now select option is there. Okay. Here they had pass size equal to 4. And here see the attribute that is multiple. Okay. So with the help of multiple attribute, it going to pass, means it going to make possible to select multiple value, not only one value. Okay. Where is that multiple select? Yeah. And pass that. Okay, let's verify this one first. Oh, sorry, what is this one? There is. Yeah, now see, if you can select this. Oh, okay, only one got selected. One more attribute was there, something. What was that value? The case of multiple, yeah, size equal to 4. Take this. SIZE, size equal to 4. Let's see what it will do. No, then also not. I don't know why. Size is not required there, but with the help of multiple you can. Okay, later in upcoming also we will get more. Okay, so second one is text area. Suppose you have to take okay, let's go this also. Text area, where is that? I will take that here itself. Okay, suppose you have to take a multiple comment from the user. Okay, you can take this text area. It will give more bigger box. Now see, here you can write. Okay, this is possible with the help of text area. Now see here two things, call and row. Suppose in place of call take 20. Now see what will happen. It got increased. Okay, now, oh sorry, it become 200. Wait. Yeah, it got decreased. Now take rows as just 5. Now see, it will shrink. It will giving you that much area. Means what it will do? Row means 5. 1 value, 2 value, 3 value, 4 value, 5 value. Means up to this you can write. But if you want more, hit enter. You can pass. Okay. Due to this, what happened? You got this scroll bar. That is the thing. But when you passing, suppose 5 pass 10. So now see, pass 1 value means you can write here something. Second value, third value, 4 value, fifth value, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Because we had taken up to 10. That's why it's giving 10. So column is also the same way. Okay. So that type we can take a commented section. You will see on website many comment section is there. So that's way we can take that text area. Okay. So call and that same thing. It explanation is there. You can get this. Now button attribute we already seen. Now field set, what it will do, used to group related data in a form. Legend is there, define caption. Okay, legend actually as like a table. In table we had taken something for making a heading of the table. What was that actually? Anyone? In table, suppose we have to make a heading. What we was taking? Just tell me 2 minutes. That's it. What is there? Or nobody know? Hello. Oh, somebody unmuted and now suddenly they mute.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What was something for making a heading on the table? What we had taken?
Caption.
Yeah, caption. So same as in the form we had taken legend. Okay. Now verify. I don't know whether it will work or not. Where is that? Yeah, see. Now this admission form. Okay. This coming due to legend. Because it will get some, means it not going to give you more padding, margin, those things. That's why we taking those. Suppose if you passing there, now see, it is coming on the top. So this way we can pass a name of our form. So approx all I completed. Now data list. Some fields are there, but that not much more useful. You can go one by one. Okay. Then you will, means just a copy and paste the code and verify what you getting there. Then you will realize what are the things. So this way we covered all our input field of form. What you have to do today, we will give you assignment. In that you have to make a form. Okay. And then you have to design that. So now tell me if anyone have any query, any doubt. We discuss all the things. Okay. How we will take data, that we will discuss later. Now be gone through. Now we are aware regarding all that type of input field. Many are also there, but what are the things useful? Not only useful, approx 95% is there. Maybe 5% some different type. So those will you will get in Bootstrap, CSS. Now tell me, anyone have any issue?
No, sir.
No issue.
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Any?
No, sir.
Okay. So now I think it's fine for all. Correct. Okay.
Yes,
Oh my
sir.
God, this much message coming. Oh, today nobody data finish. Everybody is still. Okay. Ashwin is not there. Okay. So, okay, I'm going to stop recording.